Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today we're going to talk about how much I earned on KDP selling lined notebooks, how I got started, the good, the bad and the ugly. So basically a review of what worked for me and what didn't work for me. This video, the aim of it is to help you to understand the best strategies that I've used that have worked for me and that I would like you to try. Also to give you a head start on what to do and what kind of strategies you can implement to start seeing the results in order to sell KDP lined notebooks. So I first heard about KDP publishing during a scroll on YouTube, and I came across one of Ryan Hogue's videos where he did a long interview with Paul Mars about his KDP business. If you haven't watched Ryan's videos, you're missing out. The guy is brilliant and has a great way of explaining the different side hustles he's involved in a simple step-by-step process. He also interviews other entrepreneurs who specialize in specific passive income streams, and they both share what worked for them. So I will link the interview with Paul Mars regarding the KDP publishing in the comment section below this video. So that was back in September 2019. Fast forward to November 2021, and I'm still learning new concepts, tactics and strategies in every publishing session. The last 2 years has been a roller coaster of emotions and an eye-opener on this expanding side hustle. Before we dive into the niches and the tips, here's an overview of the sales that I started on the platform. So I spent all of September 2020 in full-time research mode. I binge-watched all the YouTube videos that I could get my hands on, experimented with different keyword researching and design tools, and planned out the interiors. My plan was to dedicate 1 to 3 months of consistent research into KDP. Before getting started, I wanted to get familiar with using Helium 10, CANVA, and Amazon keyword research tool. I will go in depth about these tools and the benefits in another video. So don't expect to get a lot of sales at the beginning. Aim to publish consistently. Consistency is key when it comes to building a passive income stream like KDP. Start with lined pattern notebooks and then move slowly and gradually to themed seasonal coloring books and activity books. Definitely take marketing in your own hands. Many KDP publishers will tell you that Amazon markets your book to users, but I found more success when I started marketing my own books through my own branded Facebook page, Pinterest and Twitter. Also, create a publishing routine. Create a publishing routine to hold yourself accountable for how often you publish. Cover seasonal niches as well as general niches, as well as like evergreen niches as well, because this will help you get sales throughout the year and bring in consistent income overall. If you have a chance to write your own fiction or non-fiction book, then I highly recommend publishing it as soon as possible. You will get paid more than the lined notebooks, as it will convert to an ebook and the payment will be per reading or per page read. Batch creates different color variations of each design, maximum of 2 for each design, to allow the users to have more options in terms of pattern notebooks. I create 150 line notebooks as well as 12 activity books and coloring books till this date. Each book was sized at about 8 times 12 inches, 100 page interior, and it was targeted for school children. In most cases, lined notebooks were patterned covers with images of animals, flowers and dinosaurs. I will continue creating lined notebooks, but I'll move away from pattern designs and I'll focus more on public domain quotes and unique interiors. So what are my next steps? I hope to invest more time in creating unique themed activity books. This will be my focus. They will price higher than the lined notebooks and bring more revenue, and they are also a joy to make. I'll be using CANVA to compile activity books. I'll definitely also keep you updated on my journey. So if you want to be updated and if you want to follow my strategies and what I'm doing that has worked for me, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, one of the biggest steps that I intend to take in the next few months is I aim to write my first non-fiction how-to book. This will showcase and this will summarize my experience in the wellness field. I have not created a fully written book before, so this will be a challenge. You can follow similar success strategies I've tried from Redbubble, from Etsy, side hustles that has worked for me also for KDP. And all the links to the passive income streams playlist will be in the description box below this video. So if you're looking to try other income streams besides KDP, make sure you follow me on this channel, subscribe, share and like. Have you ever tried KDP publishing before?